Hey everyone, I just wanted to quickly dive on because I got something brand new and exciting to share with you. For the last few weeks, I've been working on a series that I think will make a real difference to your photography, whether you're brand new or coming back to the basics. Okay, so starting tomorrow, I'm launching a week-by-week series called the Ultimate Checklist for Better Photos. And over the next 12 weeks, we're going to go through 12 practical, straightforward skills that can transform your photography. No jargon, no overwhelm, just simple, clear guidance you can use on your very next shoot. Each episode will be a 10 to 15 minute deep dive on one essential skill, from composition to light, to backgrounds, to perspective, to visualization, and a lot more. And here's the thing, these are the foundations that never actually change. They work with any camera or phone, any subject and any style. They're the same principles I've used myself for years, and they're the ones I teach my students. So if you've ever felt like your photos look fine, but not quite how you imagined, this series is for you. Each week I'll walk you through one checklist item, what it means, why it matters, and how you can put it into action straight away. And by the end, you'll have a 12-part resource on its own playlist to make it nice and easy to find. And of course, if you want more help with the basics, exposure, focus and composition, there's an ebook waiting for you in the description. Totally free when you join the newsletter. And if you'd like some feedback, encouragement, or just a space to share your photos with other friendly photographers, come check out our Photography Foundations community over on School. Right, that's your heads up. The first episode drops tomorrow. So make sure you're subscribed, hit the notification bell, and get ready for week 1. Pay attention to composition. I can't wait for you to see this series, and I think you're going to love it. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.